Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a customized text video overlay into your main video clip. I will give the link of this customized text how to create into the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut, start creating, then drag and drop the files into your import section. Then bring the files into your timeline. Play the preview of this clip. So I will add the customized text clip right now. You need to bring this file into up of the main clip. So this is the overlay files. Right now I'm just make this video zoom in. So I'm playing so you see how it looks like right now. So this is my overlay files right now selected. Go to scale so you can resize your overlay files. You can move your overlay files anywhere in your main video clip. Go to blend, choose the brighten option from here. So you will find right now your overlay file in transparent background. And you will see this one in layer 1. If you want to extend, you can copy this same clip. So you can add more length over here. So all the files right now into same level. Export the files. Give the file name over here. Underneath, go to export. This is the final look of this customized text adding into the video clip. If you like this video content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.